roadblock and a curfew. Roadblock.
What's up, guys? This is Roberto Zamora, aka the real AK. Don't ever forget it. And we're gonna start off in the back here with my bike check. This is a Colt AK tire with a cinema rim linked to that Jashia light. That's the original hub right there. And we got some King pegs, King drift pegs, all 4 of them. I run plastic just because they're better for me. And for the frame, we got the Sean Mack fit frame. I'm not sure how old it is, but it's pretty old. I repainted it. It used to be raw, but it's alright. Then we got the Shadow Conspiracy Supreme chain. That'll never break on you. That's pretty dope. We got the premium slim pedals. I put some little hooks on it because I didn't like the plastic ones that were on it before. And they're linked to some premium cranks. And then we got the Colt Rasta sprocket. That one's pretty dope. I like the design on it. It's got like a 3D imprint. We got the King seat post. It's one of the shortest seat posts out there. We got the Sabrosa seat. I just traded my homie for this one. It's pretty dope. I like the colors on it. It goes well with the bike. On the front, we got the same tire as the back, except it's linked to a different rim. I don't know which one this is. And it's got the Colt matching Rasta hooks on it. Then we also got the stem, matching well with the rest of the parts. It's a Colt Salvation stem. And we got the Primo rebars. For the grips, we got the Vision grips. I like them because of the design and it helps good. And the bar ends. Oh shit, I got 2 different bar ends. That's fucking weird. But yeah, we got the Kink and some other one over here. The forks are the Dennis Anderson Haro forks. They just gave them to me because I warranted them. I didn't really want these, but you work with what you gotta work with, I guess. I got some hub guards too. I don't really know if that's worth mentioning. That's it. This has been my bike check. Hope you guys liked it. Comment and subscribe. And you know, check out these guys' channel. Up and coming. You already know it.
Like a roadblock. It's more like a roadblock. It coming like a curfew. Brand new.